You didn't pay for all your items.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
No.
In my office.
I had a receipt. I mean,
Come
not a
on.
receipt, a gift card,
Come on.
Let's go.
That's not that weed.
Sir.
That one.
Okay.
You don't need a ground.
Okay.
It's not that big of a
It is.
Is that on the bed?
Do you want to
Is
just
that-
take this all?
Yeah,
and-
okay. You got
Okay.
everything in? Everything?
But have a seat. Do you have our ID?
Yeah. I can pay for it.
Well, you've had the opportunity to pay for it.
Well, I had a gift card and it didn't work, and then it was like a whole thing.
880 Fox. Can you show me how to contact, please? You have your ID?
Yeah. I can pay for it. It's not a big.
You've already had
No,
the
I
chance
know,
to pay for
I
it.
know.
Okay, let's
I
see
know.
this ID. Okay, have a seat. Okay.
I know.
I'm not sure what's going up with you, but go ahead. Let's stand up.
No.
Let's stand up.
It's okay.
I don't know what.
Can I?
Nope.
There's nothing.
Sir,
Can I just?
go put your hand behind your back.
Can I just talk to you? Can I just talk?
Relax. Anything illegal on you I need to know about?
Nothing. Is there just anything we can talk about? I can pay for it. I just feel bad. I don't.
Okay.
This isn't me. I know. This is my wallet. My keys. I don't have anything. I just don't have it. You can't go through my wallet.
I can, actually.
You can't.
Okay.
That's my personal property.
880 Fox. Can you send me one more, please?
Sir, I apologize. I will. Okay. I don't have anything on me, dude. I promise. There's nothing in my pockets.
Okay.
I didn't do it. I swear, please, officer. I understand what I did. I won't. I know. I get it.
Have a seat.
I'm sorry. Can I just
Have a seat.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just wanted to apologize. I'm sorry. Sir, can I just apologize? I'm sorry. It wasn't. It's a mistake. I know. It's
Yeah.
stupid. I know. It's stupid. It's dumb. I know. And I know. I just want you to give me. That's all. Just give me a chance. Just let me pay. Go on my day. And
You've had the chance to pay.
I know.
They even stopped your transaction so that you could go back and pay.
With the
Yeah?
Wait, what do you mean?
They paused your transaction
With the card or the
Yeah. when you had to have the other person come and unlock the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I apologize. No, I do. You're right. No, you're right. I just want to have this.
Yeah.
Can I just have the second out?
What's that?
I just want to have the second out. Make things right. That's it.
That's not going to happen. You've already had the chance to pay.
He's way over.
I'm sorry.
Too
I
bad.
apologize. I know, hon. I'm sorry.
Is this his?
Excuse me, hon.
What's up?
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah. I just
Okay.
want to know what's going to happen. I don't want to get arrested. I won't come back here. I won't. I'm sorry. I understand.
Have you ever been caught from
No,
Walmart?
no.
Well, I'm going to take your picture.
Okay.
So Walmart has a low double-digit number that we prosecute over.
Okay.
One of their items, the
Okay.
the triple pack steaks,
Yeah.
is double our amount.
Okay.
So you're like 3-4 times our prosecution limit.
Okay.
So we are going to prosecute you.
Please, no.
No,
Hon, is there any?
no, and don't call
I
me.
know. I'm sorry. Is there anything I can do?
Yeah, you can.
I know. No. Just please. I know. I know
Look
what
at my
I.
face.
I know.
Time out. Look at me.
I know.
Do I come across as a nice person? The answer to this is no.
Okay.
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 Does it look like I have sympathy for you? Okay. So is there a need to ask me anything else?
I just want to see if there's any.
No.
Okay.
That next
What's-
question that you just asked me is what I told you didn't need to ask me. Because there's nothing that you're going to do that's going to make me not prosecute you.
Then I'm going to read your Miranda rights.
Sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you, yes or no? What's that?
Yes.
Yes? Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to us now, yes or no? No?
What do you mean?
Do you want to talk to us about all
yes,
of this?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start off with the steaks.
Yes.
Where do we get the stickers for the ground beef?
On the ground beef.
Okay, and you just took the ground beef sticker and stuck it on the steak?
Yeah. It's not like I have it at my house or just brought it or something. Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Am I getting arrested? I don't know.
Well, you've already had the opportunity
I know
to
that,
pay
sir.
for this.
Sir, I know that. But
if
it
everybody
was a
walked
mistake.
out with $144 worth of stuff,
Sir, I understand.
Okay.
I do, and I will never do this again. I swear to God.
so how much stuff did you
just
pay
can't.
for? Well, what was the
I think it was like $50 or something.
okay, and then how much did you not pay for?
I'm not sure.
What do you?
Think
What's your
the amount?
guess?
I don't know.
What's your guess?
I don't know. 60?
60. Okay.
No. I'll say 100.
Okay, 100. And do we have $100 to pay for all that stuff?
Yes.
On what? Cash, debit,
Debit.
debit card?
Yeah.
So why didn't we pay for the other $100 worth of stuff?
Well, I have $100. I don't have that's what damn well I have. So
Okay. What's illegal in the wallet? Okay, you didn't want me looking in the wallet. Am I going to find something illegal in the wallet?
No, I didn't know what you were doing. I just assumed it was
Okay, because I'm going through that next.
Okay.
Nothing illegal?
Just an ID.
Okay,
That's it.
an ID from where?
What do you mean?
Well, what am I going to find?
You can't go from my wallet.
I can, actually.
Huh? Why not? Because that's my personal property.
Okay. So I'm going through that next.
Am I right or am I wrong?
You're wrong.
Okay. Sure.
So am I going to find anything else illegal in the wallet besides the ID?
No.
Okay.
No. There's nothing illegal wrong. Yes.
And what's wrong with the ID?
Huh?
Is it? It's not real?
No, it is.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want to tell me?
No.
Okay. So which are you, Logan Brindisi
Yes, sir.
or Roy Logan?
Brindisi. Logan Brindisi. Logan Brindisi.
You're not Roy.
I'm Logan Roy Brindisi. My last name is Roy Brindisi.
Okay. So who's Roy Logan Brindisi?
That's me, Logan Roy Brindisi. I just said that.
Okay. And then who is
Logan Brindisi.
Logan Jason?
Logan Jason is my middle name.
Well, which is it? Is it Roy or is
Your phone.
Logan?
What?
What's your name?
Logan Jason Roy Brindisi.
Thank you.
So this is you.
Yes, that's me.
So then who's this?
I don't know.
Oh, my Lord.
I don't know who that is.
Well, it's your picture.
I don't know.
Birth date is on this one. It's 04, 2004, and then this one's 2002.
Okay.
So this is you,
Yes, that's me. Yes.
but this is your picture.
Oh my God.
Alright. You still around?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna search your here so I don't have to go outside.
You got sleep before? Yeah. Wax on? Wax off.
Alright. This way. You know how long the check booking takes? It depends how many people are in front of you.
We're gonna identify you by the fingerprint, so.
Okay. So we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
So, okay. I'm sorry, guys.
Alright.
Are you gonna? Can I have my? You just gonna help?
Alright, I gotta hold
Alright.
it.
You have
Look that
my?
way.
Do you guys have my wallet?
I got everything.
Stuff?
Everything's
Okay.
going. Look that way.
Alright, damn, that's like way too soon. Do you know how much how much it is, the bond is, or like whatever it is?
That's of the jail. We don't.
Oh, okay.
We deal with is the judge who started the bond.
Well, it shouldn't be like I just gave it wouldn't be like a ton, right, or like not a lot, right? Because
Huh?
it shouldn't be like a lot, right, or
No, usually you
it should be okay. Just
pay 10% of the amount.
okay.
To bond.
I appreciate you being I don't know, you're being pretty nice to me. All right. Thank you. Hey, officer, I'm sorry, you know, for all this. It's just stupid, you know. You live and you learn, though. You know, I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't have like I don't know, like I don't have a track record or anything. Like, you know, that's just, I don't know. I don't, you know. Like, I've never been arrested, so this is like, well, like, I don't know. You know, I'm not a bad kid or anything. I'm just, you know, down here. You know, I just, you know, money, I don't know. You know, I could say whatever, but it doesn't matter. I just appreciate, you know, like, you're being pretty cool about everything, that, you know, so I appreciate it.